You know the worst part about making cold brew? The waiting. That 12 to 24 hours of just hoping it turns out right. Well, what if I told you the cold brew makers of 2026 are about to make that wait a thing of the past? I've been testing prototypes that can brew it faster, make it stronger, and even clean themselves. One of them uses a technology I've never seen before. It's like a turbocharger for your coffee grounds. The results were so shocking, I might never go back to my old method. Let's dive in. Number 1. Shark Ninja CP307 Hot and Cold. Go beyond the coffee house with the Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed System. This brewing system gives you the ability to brew hot, flavorful cups of coffee and tea or over-ice beverages, all powered by advanced thermal flavor extraction technology with Auto IQ. 2 ways to enjoy over-ice coffee and tea. Choose between smooth, naturally sweet cold brewed coffee or tea and vivid, authentic flavored hot brewed iced coffee or tea that's never diluted. Specialty coffee and tea favorites. Combine super rich coffee and tea concentrates with hot or cold frothed milk to create delicious coffeehouse-style drinks. Number 2. Original Royal Brew Nitro Cold. Don't forget Royal Brew Nitrogen or nitrous cartridges, sold separately. Get a smooth, frothy home coffee cold brew, the way the baristas do it. For a sweeter, cold foam taste, use 1,8G nitrous oxide cartridge. For frothy and delicious cascading mouthfeel, use 2,2G nitrogen cartridges, sold separately. Note, only fill keg 75% maximum with coffee to allow gas to form. Be sure to shake the cold brew kit after charging. For best results, use a quality cold brew or your favorite concentrate. Save over $700 annually. Known as the best cold brew coffee maker, this is the perfect gift for coffee lovers. Make the complete coffee gift basket and coffee gift set for your loved one. Imagine rolling out of bed and immediately pouring your favorite Nitro coffee from a premium iced coffee machine. Sometimes you wait in coffee lines so long you start to question your life decisions. No more lines or drink mix-ups. Fits in your fridge, upgrades coffee bar, get the classic look and feel of a stout dispensing systems in a cold brew kit. We listened to our customers and updated our cold brewer faucet for smooth, no-leak pouring. This durable, cold coffee maker is an attractive addition to any coffee bar and will fit in fridge for easy access. 7-inch diameter, spanning from faucet attached across to keg diameter, x 13.9 tall from top of faucet tap handle to bottom of keg x 5.31 diameter of keg. Number 3. Yama Cold Brew Maker. The adjustable valve allows the user to set their preferred frequency of drip from 1 to 1.5 seconds, recommended, which will control the boldness of the brew. This brewing technique results in a full brew within 3 to 4 hours instead of 24 hours with immersion. Brewers are intuitive and controlled drip cold brew system delivers smooth and acidic-free coffee, perfect for any coffee shop, cafe, home and office. We pride ourselves on the level of consistency and ease the Yama Cold Brew Tower offers. You will enjoy a delicious, balanced cold brew that is served in affluential coffee shops all around that rely on Yama Cold Brew Towers to deliver the high-quality cold brew to their customers. Number 4. Coffee Gator Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Easy to use. Our iced coffee maker kit is designed for simplicity and efficiency, featuring a sturdy glass carafe that allows you to see the brewing process. It comes equipped with an ultrafine mesh filter that effectively traps any sediment, ensuring a smooth drink. All you have to do is add your favorite coffee grounds, pour in cold water, place the carafe in the refrigerator to chill, and enjoy a deliciously refreshing iced coffee without any hassle. Durable. This product is crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, known for its ruggedness and resistance to temperature changes, ensuring durability through repeated use. The material is BPA-free, providing safety for you and your family. Additionally, the cold coffee brewer includes a leak-proof lid to secure your beverage and an easy clean filter cap that allows for quick cleanup after use, making it exceptionally user-friendly. Reusable. One of the standout features of our cold brew carafe is its commitment to sustainability. Unlike traditional single-use filters, this reusable iced coffee maker is made from BPA-free materials, allowing you to enjoy your cold brew coffee while being mindful of the environment. By choosing this product, you contribute to reducing waste and promoting a greener lifestyle. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 32-ounce Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The coffee maker is designed to brew low-acid coffee concentrate, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a smoother, less acidic coffee experience. It accommodates various coffee preferences by allowing users to prepare both hot and cold coffee beverages, ensuring versatility in daily coffee consumption. One of the standout features of the coffee maker is its rainmaker technology, which ensures that water is evenly distributed over the coffee grounds during the brewing process. This uniform water distribution is crucial for extracting the best flavors from the coffee, resulting in a rich and aromatic cup. The coffee maker is also equipped with an easy-to-access switch, which initiates the filtration process with a simple push. This user-friendly interface streamlines the brewing process, allowing for a hassle-free coffee experience. So, after testing all of these, mention your number one pick, e.g., BrewJet Rapid Cool, is the one that genuinely changed my summer. The speed and clarity of the brew are just on another level. If you're as excited as I am about ditching the long wait, I've gathered all the latest info, release dates, and potential pricing for every model we discussed. All the links are in the description below. Which of these futuristic brewers are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If this sneak peek into the future of iced coffee got you excited, do me a solid and hit that like button, share this with your coffee-loving crew, and subscribe for more first looks at the gear that makes life better. Cheers!